Welcome, everyone. Have you ever thought about how love affects your brain? Well, get ready to explore a world of emotions. We're diving into how your feelings for different people and even pets and nature can light up different areas of your brain. Imagine standing in a beautiful park, taking in the fresh air, and feeling the love for the nature around you. A recent study used cutting-edge technology to see how different types of love activate different parts of our brains. Did you know that love for nature might just engage our aesthetic senses rather than our social connections? Now, let's talk about parental love. When you think of your child, your brain lights up in a specific way. The study found that love for children activates the brain's reward system. That's right. Your brain is hardwired to feel pleasure and satisfaction from those precious moments with your kids. Romantic love, on the other hand, lights up the same reward areas. So when you look into your partner's eyes, your brain is firing up those pleasure circuits. Isn't that amazing? The study actually showed that people felt higher emotional intensity for romantic partners compared to friends or strangers. Speaking of friends, love for your buddies is another area we need to touch on. It turns out our brains respond to friends a bit differently. While there's still some reward activation, it's not as strong as with romantic love or love for our kids. It's like a fun hangout, but without the same intensity. Now here's something heartwarming: love for pets. The study found that for pet owners, the brain's response to their furry friends is remarkably similar to love for humans. It seems those who truly connect with their pets get a surge of emotional activation, just like they would with family or close friends. Isn't that something? What about love for strangers? The research indicated that this type of love activates empathy and altruism sections of the brain, but is much weaker compared to the strong surges we feel for loved ones. It's like a gentle nudge of compassion rather than a roaring inferno of love. Love for nature triggered areas linked to visual and spatial processing, showing that it connects more to our appreciation of landscapes rather than deep emotional bonds. Your love for a breathtaking view involves a different part of your brain. Using fMRI technology, this study is one of the biggest explorations of love in neuroscience today. They studied 55 adults, all with unique experiences but similar in their expressions of love. They listened to stories that triggered emotions tied to different forms of love, and their brain activity was measured. Participants listened to narratives that made them feel love and visualized those feelings. Imagine how moving that must have been. They reported on their emotions, helping researchers map out how these love stories connected to brain activity. The results revealed that love for romantic partners and children showed the most robust activation in the brain's reward regions. These forms of love are both intense and rewarding, aligning with our everyday experiences of joy and pleasure in our relationships. But the study did have limitations. Since all participants shared similar backgrounds, researchers want to dive into how love differs across cultures. Imagine discovering how love blossoms differently across the globe. That could lead to a deeper understanding of how we connect with the world and each other. Speaking of understanding, I want to build a community where we can discuss these profound topics. Your insights and feedback mean so much to me as I strive to improve the quality of our videos and foster knowledge sharing. If you're enjoying this journey through love and the brain, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the conversation. Every comment and share helps enhance our understanding for everyone. Together, we can explore the depths of human emotion. Your experiences matter. Let's share our stories of love, whether it's for family, friends, pets, or nature. Understanding these feelings creates valuable connections and enhances our communities. So, to recap, from romantic connections igniting deep brain responses to love for nature engaging our aesthetic senses, it's clear that love is complex and unique. Each kind of love offers its pulse in our emotional landscape. How incredible is that? Looking ahead, how fascinating would it be to investigate how love manifests in distant cultures? We can leverage science to uncover those differences and similarities. I can't wait to explore that with all of you. Remember, each form of love enhances our life experience. Let's cherish those moments, nurture our bonds, and continue exploring the science behind our emotions. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Together, we're making further strides into understanding ourselves and each other. Next time, we're going deep into the science of empathy. What activates that drive within us to care for others? Stay tuned, and let's unveil the mysteries of our interconnected emotions. Thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you tuning in today. Your support keeps me inspired to create and share exciting content that brings us all together. Until next time, take care and spread some love.